Is getting hit hard right now by snow and wind, whiteout conditions in some places.
Let's get a report now from the ground in Sandwich. We found News Center 5's Nicole Estefan, who's monitoring conditions there. Nicole?
Well, that's right. A lot of you might be sitting at home looking out your windows thinking, what storm? Much of New England escaping these blizzard-like conditions. That's not the case here on the Cape. We're at Town Neck Beach in Sandwich, and take a look at what's going on right now. I was going to tell you how much snow has fallen, how much we could visually see, but it's almost impossible because as soon as that snow comes down, these winds just picking it up and blowing it all around here. There are some cars here, a lot of people interested in what's going on, and I'll show you. This wind is so powerful here, it's almost hard to stand, never mind walk against. You simply just can't get your footing, and the conditions here are certainly getting worse every hour. I'd say about an hour ago we were still pretty good. I'm going to step under the awning that we were lucky enough to find here so you can hear me. But really here at Town Neck Beach, the big concern is erosion. There was a big project that just went on here to restore this area. A lot of homeowners worried about their property, a lot of erosion over the last several years. 180,000 yards of new sediment just finished being laid down 2 days ago. And we spoke to a lot of folks who say they think Mother Nature is going to win this battle.
We live right off of Torrey Road, right near the beach, and yeah, we're worried about the sand. It seems there's less sand every year.
They did a good job. I actually saw it yesterday for the first time. But other than that, I think most of it's going to wash away.
Yeah.
It helps, but you can't predict Mother Nature.
Another live look here at Town Neck Beach in Sandwich. Again, you can see a lot of cars here, a lot of people interested in what's going on, but police are asking that people stay off the roadways, that they keep their curiosity at bay here. These conditions expect to get much worse throughout the night. High tide here, not until 11 o'clock, and really that's the big concern for homeowners that live here. We're going to continue to monitor the conditions here in Sandwich.